everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be resetting all of our appliances. I'm going to be cleaning the washing machine drawer. So I find that this is something I have to do maybe twice a month, but sometimes things are really busy, and especially during the summer I spend a lot of time away from home. So I find the washing machine drawer itself, where all the detergents go, it gets really moldy sometimes because I don't tend to let in enough air and stuff. So quick tip, always let air in after you've finished doing your laundry. So open the drawer and let some air get in there to just get rid of all any buildup, any mold building up, etc. So that's a tip for you guys that I try my best to follow, because if I'm honest, it doesn't happen all the time. So yeah, I'm just using this toothbrush. So you can actually use an old toothbrush, not a used one, but like a toothbrush specifically for cleaning. I like to use the Pink Stuff scrubber. I find it, it just works really well with me. And of course, I love the Pink Stuff, so I would have the Pink Stuff scrubber, but you don't necessarily need to have a sonic scrubber. An old brush, just a specific brush that you use for cleaning. So I want to focus, we know where like this detergent, look at that, where it's brown over there. I think it's just the fabric softener, and I hate how it's so gooey and clingy. I don't know how to describe it, but I just go check out yours. And I'm not sure, I feel like I'm literally starting to feel like I don't want to use fabric softener anymore. Yeah, that's another video for another day, but I just hate how it lingers and it takes such a long time to scrub off. So right now I'm rinsing it, and I'm finding I can still feel how like glossy, and it just doesn't feel like it's clean at all. So repeating the process again, just to ensure that everything actually comes off, because it does end up blocking that little airway, yeah, where where the detergent's supposed to come out. So I'm now repeating the process again, because I just find that it's probably going to help me a lot more to get that off. So I have made this video quite lengthy, and because I feel like most people want to clean along with you, so I've made the video long enough for you guys to be able to do this along with me. So give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying this type of content where you are able to clean along with me in real time. Well, not necessarily in real time, because the video will be like over an hour long, but long enough for you to start along with me, and then we just continue together. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, I'm literally just scraping it off with my nail, and it's still there, and it's kind of getting really frustrating, but you know what, I've done the best that I can. I think maybe cleaning this maybe twice or 3 times during the month could probably help, but we'll see. I will let you guys know and keep you guys updated if you have the same issue as I have. Some people don't mind, but I just don't like it, as it will end up blocking the fabric softener from actually getting into your laundry. So yeah. So I'm now just repeating the process on side this as well, to just ensure everything that's been building up in there officially comes off. So the Pink Stuff scrubber is able to get into most of the areas, like on the crevices and stuff, and it does a really good job. But any old brush that you've got that you can basically use to get in there will also be really good for you. So I do a reset of all my appliances every single month. So at the start of the month, if I can, if I've not done it at the end, but as long as at the start of the month or at any time during the month, all your stuff is officially ready, just because you don't want to build up. You don't want any build up of any line scale. You don't want any build up of, like, for example, here this is the fabric softener area, and it's really frustrating to get off. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the content, and let me know in the comment section below how often you guys clean your washing machine drawers to remove any debris, any buildup, or any buildup from any of the detergents, and what products do you guys actually use. Oh, onto the dishwasher filters. So yeah, these, yeah, I forgot quite often, if I'm honest. But I feel like because I spent a lot of time away during summer, when it comes to winter, I'm probably more on top of stuff because I'm at home and it's cold. So I avoid going out as much as I possibly can. But yeah, this definitely needed a deep clean, and you can actually soak these if you'd like in a dish and just soak it with some really hot water and washing up liquid, and you can leave it there for a couple of minutes to soak up as much grease as possibly can. But today I really don't have the time. I'm just getting my sonic scrubber and just getting in there because I feel like if I leave it for too long I will not get it done. So this is why I'm using the sonic scrubber, because it works a lot faster for tasks that I really need to get done. So that's why I tend to grab and reach for that when I'm really in a rush to get the task accomplished. Because if I'm honest, we're all really busy and life gets busy. So if you can do a task faster, I will definitely do it. So now on to the cooker's hood filters. Now these are some things that I actually forget to clean quite often. So you can again soak these in really hot water, but I am using washing up liquid and my sonic scrubber. So the more often you clean things, the less dirty they are. So I find, like I said, each month if I do a quick reset and a deep scrub of it, it means that the following month, or maybe sometime during the month, I might actually do it again, so that, you know, it makes it a lot easier to clean and it looks better and there's less grease building up. Don't forget to clean the dishwasher itself. So around the edges of the dishwasher, yeah, debris, dust tend to build up on there as well, and especially when like you're using the dishwasher quite a lot. So don't forget to give that a clean, and maybe like a deep clean as well inside. If you've got any cleaning products for the dishwasher, make sure you use that, or you can just use white vinegar and put it on a really hot cycle, and that normally does the job as well. And let me know in the comment section below what you guys use to clean your dishwasher and how often you clean it. If I'm missing something, any tips that will be handy, please let me know so we can all help each other out in our community. Which is one thing I love about it and being in this community, is because we share ideas and we all learn from each other. So if you've got any tips, please let me know down below and I will do my best to share them with everybody else or try them out myself. to put your dishwasher salt, and now we're just going to put everything back. It's all dry and ready. I think I might give this a deep clean, but I don't think I've got the, I might, because I've just run out of white vinegar, so we'll see. I'll probably do it sometime during this week, but I'm just now putting everything back, and quite happy with that. So now putting the filters back on as well. They're still quite a bit sticky, but better than what they felt like before. So I'll probably need to do a big soak and leave them in there for some time. So look forward to a video when I show you how I soak these and what products I use. And that's it really. I'm just now putting everything back, including this. So I'm quite happy with how this has turned out. It's looking a lot better than it did, and including the fabric softener dispenser, it looks a lot better. It feels a lot better, and I'm sure it's not gonna be blocked up as much anymore. So yeah, that's a tip. If you find it blocked, give it a deep clean. So I'm now just gonna clean the hob. I've not done that. So yeah, I'm really happy for you guys to see more videos. Let me know in the comment section below if you've got a specific video in mind or something that you would like for me to do, and I will do my best for you. If you've got any requests, please let me know. Follow me on Instagram, let me know there as well. Just send me a DM and I'll do my best to get it done for you. Until then guys, you have a lovely day. Bye.